Hi everyone, Sean here from BC's Used Car Dealer of the Year, BCS Auto Sales. Hey, thank you for checking out our vehicles online. We really appreciate that. Today, I'm test driving a 2018 Mazda 3 GT hatchback. Locally driven, accident-free. This one comes with a full independent vehicle inspection and a free Carfax history report, not to mention our very own 30-day money-back guarantee. Very nicely equipped, glove soft, heated leather face seats, heated leather steering wheel, GPS navigation, enhanced traction control, select driving modes, full Bluetooth communication, emergency braking system, pre-collision warning, side vehicle blind spot detection system. It's a beautiful car, ever fuel efficient, versatile, and it's well suited for commuting, daily driving around town, maybe a weekend adventure or extended road trip. This one's going to take you where you want to go. Hey, at BCS Auto Sales, we are located out near the airport here in South Vancouver, same location since 1985. If you want to fly in, pick up your vehicle, and drive home, that's been done hundreds of times before and we'll continue to offer that service, as well as our valet service and complimentary pickup at any ferry terminal as well. At BCS Auto Sales, we also accept any vehicle on trade. So no matter what it is you're driving, if it's no longer doing what it should do, hey, now is the perfect time to update your vehicle. Trade values have never been higher, so please let us make you an offer. Hey, speaking of offers, we offer easy financing right here at the dealership with specials that include no money down, no payments for 6 months, and you can get up to $10,000 cash back OAC. Hey, there's only one BCS Auto Sales, your used car dealer of the year, 7 years in a row for all of British Columbia. Thank you for that. And without further ado, here is the Mazda 3 GT hatchback. Just into the dealership, professionally cleaned and sanitized, this Mazda is ready for immediate delivery. So pretty much no matter where you are in the province, if you can't come to us, we can easily deliver this one to your home or place of business. Very nicely equipped. We have integrated high-intensity driving lights, a beautiful alloy wheel package, all-season mud and snow-rated tires, nice chrome accents. The power-sliding sunroof is currently vented and it is fully retractable. High-definition rear-view parking camera, remote keyless entry, side vehicle blind spot detection with cross-traffic alerts. And just check out this interior. Beautifully contoured leather face seats, heated of course, and power adjusting for the driver. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel that's also leather wrapped and heated. Adaptive cruise control, audio control and cellular communication. Enhanced traction control and lane departure warning. A premium audio system with BOSE acoustics. Heads-up vehicle display, fantastic option. GPS navigation, an automated dual zone climate control center, easy to drive automatic transmission, but you have the option to shift manually as well. Select driving modes, easy operation for any navigation on your dash. Nice size center console. A massive folding armrest with split folding rear seats and plenty of room in the back for all your gear. Auto dimming rear view mirror, automatic headlights, just a beautiful car. Nicely equipped and ever fuel efficient. Hey, you want to be sure to schedule a personal test drive, simply let us know when to expect you. We'll have it all ready to roll. It's always toll free, 1-800-261-3363. Hey, thanks again for watching and have a great day.